Hey everybody, today I am going to try something a little different, for me anyway, and I see I have a cat hair in my paint. I've primed my canvas by just painting it over with black paint. This is a reuse canvas, so I'm going to sit this over here. So let's start with some white. And then I think, what do I want to do with this? I want to go blue. I like blue. And then I want to go with this green as well, this beautiful green. I have not been using much of this green lately. And then I'm going to hit it with a spray of WD-40. Just a quick spray. Now I'm trying to decide what else I want. I want silver in there too. So silver. Ouch. Like that. So I've got silver, blue. I really need some more black in here, I think. And probably another spray of WD-40. And I really don't spray like a lot like that. You see what I just did? Not much, right? And let's see, I want to put some more bright colors in there. Nebula-like colors. Let's do a little bit of this like cobalt blue. Not a ton, just some. And then I want a purple. Let's put a little bit of purple in there. Just kind of a dark purple. Not very bright actually. And then I'm gonna go pink. Because this is another really bright. And I won't put much in there. So I think that's enough for a pour, don't you think? Oh God, I already got my pants. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for a minute. And then I'm going to come back. And let me see if I can move this over. You can get a little bit better shot in the cup of what's going on here right now. I'm going to try to do it without too much glare from the lighting. Leave that sit for a minute. And then come back. Alright, so I think it's been long enough for us to come back and look at the cup again. It's changed some. I'll give you a closer look. Let me see if I can get it to adjust here. Woo! There you go. So I'm actually going to, where the seam is here, I'm actually going to pinch it like this to make a pouring spout. And what am I going to do with this? I want kind of nebula look, so I think I'm going to do some ribbons. See what comes of them. Alright, I don't know about that. That's interesting. Yeah. Give it a minute. We see some cells coming in here. And some little bitty ones in here. And I like how these are starting to separate these layers here. And here. And here. Ooh, look at that. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes and then I'm going to come back and hit it with the torch to bring up some more cells, and then I will tilt. and see what we can do with this. So 5 minutes. Alright, 5 minutes over. And look at how gorgeous these cells are here. Alright, I am going to fire it a little bit with the torch before I tilt it. And I have, oh god. My torch is like not being fun. It really is. There we go. Okay. I like to go in between the layers sometimes because it brings out some of the most interesting stuff. I also like to go along the edges so that they kind of feather a little bit. I want to get some little cells in here and some big ones over here. All right. Alright, sweetie. That would be my Mugsy wanting attention. Just like all kitties, right while you're in the middle of something, just like all children. Alrighty. Actually, I'm kind of liking the way this is looking. I want to bring that pink back up in here a little bit if I can. No. No, sweetie. Alright, let's get that in the corner. Alright, I kind of like that. I like this line here. Alright, I'm going to stop there. And see what happens.